Hey everybody, hope you're doing great. We're going to be starting 2-3 here. We're doing the additional vocab, so we should be on, here I can get rid of this, I feel better now. We should be on page 34, all right, in our packet, I believe. That could be wrong, okay? Anyway, here's what we got going on. So this is one of my favorite ones. So come up with a definition, come up with an example. We got to figure out, really fill in the missing boxes here. So we're going to put this in 8th grade language, not the technical definition that we see in the back of our math book, right? Let's put this into words we understand, okay? First things first, coefficient. What is a coefficient, guys? Well, if you're not sure, look over here. 5 is the coefficient for 5a. -2 is the coefficient for -2w. So a good definition here, guys, of a coefficient is just the number in front of the variable, okay? It is that simple. Just the number that's in front of the variable is my coefficient. Not the whole thing, right? Notice they didn't say 5a is the coefficient, just 5. Distributive property. So we learned this last year in 7th grade. It's one of my all-time favorite properties. They've given us, right, kind of a mathy definition along with an example here. We just have to come up with an example on our own. I love me fractions, so I'm going to use a fraction in here. You ready? Watch this. 1/4. We will multiply that by the quantity 8x plus 36. Man, I'm also going to give you the sneakiest distributive property problem they could ever do. Here it is right here. Right? 3x minus 5. There you go. Invisible 1 out there. Distribute the negative sign. Okay? Not going to change the numbers, but it changes the signs. Okay? 2 down. I think we got a couple more to go. Like terms. Guys, like terms. So, again, if we look over here. Oh, that's what they are, yeah. So, like terms, guys. Right? Super easy for us. Same variable, right? But it's more than that. It's also to the same power. So the same variable to the same power, right? Both of our examples over here have that. Okay? Multi-step equations, right? So we're getting into longer equations now that have more than 1 step or 2-step. That's why we just call them multi-step equations. Again, here's what they look like. They're typically, guys, going to have the distributive property in them. Shabla, there we go. That is a multi-step equation. What would my first step here be? That's right, distribute the 3. Somebody said it. Yeah. Variable. What is the definition of a variable? I don't know. Guys, it is just a letter. All right, big word, here it comes. That represents, I should have moved the screen up. I'm really mad I didn't do that. That represents a hashtag. Not really, that's a number, guys. That's a number. So variable, just a number that's being represented by a letter. We are unfamiliar with what it is until we solve the equation, and then we're done. So anyway, guys, here's our vocab. We're going to carry on with all things 2-3 related as we get into our additional practice and everything else. So hope you guys are becoming great equation solvers, and we'll see you soon.